What's up guys, this is Wally right here. Because it's summer, today I'm gonna show you how to make a mojito. What we need for this recipe:
What?
fresh mint, white rum, lime, sugar, ice and lemon soda. Well, it's very easy to make. Let me show you how. First step, I will cut the lime in 4 pieces. One tablespoon of sugar, and of course fresh mint. I'm gonna take 7 or 8 leaves. Now squash it. Now next up, 50 ml of white rum. Fill the glass with ice cubes. And I'm coming with the soda right now. There you have it, it's ready. How cool is this? Wow. Well, that's all. Don't forget, drink responsibly, never drink and drive. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, press the like button and share this video with your friends. I'll see you next time. Salud!